channel. So आज के वीडियो में we are going to convert this sari, it's bandhani sari in Georgia. So what I'm going to make is I'm going to make a top, like a very nice crop top out of it, and a skirt. So it's like a two-piece lehenga, not lehenga but yeah, kind of like a skirt and a crop top. So yeah, first you see the sketch about it's just that, but just see it so that I can explain better. So yeah. बहुत ही इजी ड्रेस है, उसमें कुछ है ही नहीं ऑलमोस्ट. सो इसीलिए व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू डू इज वंस द ब्लाउज इज रेडी, मैं लेके आई, उसके बाद आई एम गोना गेट दीज. कैन यू सी दीज फेक मिरर्स? दे आर नॉट रियली मिरर्स बट दे लुक लाइक मिरर्स, सो दे आर फेक मिरर्स. आई डोंट नो क्या बोलते हैं उसको. सो देन दीज आर यू इजीली गेट इन द मार्केट प्लस. उसमें वो लगाना बहुत सिंपल है. यू इजीली टेक अ नीडल एंड डू इट. सो आई एम गोना गेट दीज एंड पुट इट ऑल ओवर माई ब्लाउज. ऑल ओवर का पता नहीं, बिकॉज इफ इट्स वेरी टाइम कंज्यूमिंग देन आई माइट नॉट पुट इट, बट अगर टाइम कम लग रहा है तो मैं लगा दूंगी साड़ी में. आई शो यू. सो या, सो आई एम गोना पुट दीज ऑल ओवर द ब्लाउज एंड आई एम श्योर इट्स गोना लुक रियली नाइस. लाइक मैंने लगा के देखा, आई डोंट नो हाउ आई शो यू, बट लुक्स रियली रियली रियली. And for this skirt I'm thinking that if I find a similar lace which has a little mirror work or something on this line, I'll buy that lace and put it just on the bottom. अगर मिला तो. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go shopping. I'm gonna get these packets of these. I'll get a lining for this dress and the lace. We'll see the lace. I'm not really sure about the lace, as I said. So yeah, and I'll come back and I'll show you what I got. So can you believe I got this lace, and I'm so happy with the lace because it's the exact same shade, plus I wanted mirror work, so वो भी मिल गया. And yeah, the only problem with this lace is कि ये बहुत thin है, बहुत ही छोटा है, but like पता नहीं कैसे दिखने वाला है bottom में, but let's see. I'm hoping कि अच्छा दिखेगा. Still I paid around 650 rupees for this lace, and if I would offer a broader lace फिर तो 1000 cross करता, and not worth it because I'm not gonna really wear this dress. अगर कुछ like if you want to use something that still makes sense to, you know, spend so much, but I know I'm not going to wear it so much, so I went for this one. And yeah, but it is pretty. I'll show you कैसा लगेगा ये at the bottom. So it looks somewhat like this, and yeah, it does look very pretty. So yeah, let's see. Then for the blouse, as I mentioned before, I got these beads, fake mirrors. They're not beads, they're really fake mirrors. So I'm not going to give it to anybody else to put it for me. They have these small hole here. I don't know if you can see, but वो easily stitch कर सकते हैं blouse में. So once the blouse is ready, I'm gonna attach how many I want and where I want and all of that. So I'm very happy with those both the things. And then lastly, I got the lining. This is again butter crepe lining. It's for 32 rupees per meter, and yeah, that's about it. I think वही है. And one more thing, this lace अगर ये बचता है, मेरे को लगेगा बचेगा ही, because it's a lot. It's 9 meters. I don't think it be used. So I'm gonna put it on the waist also. Like it looks really nice. Got it, and now I'm gonna take it to the tailor and get it stitched. Let's see how the dress turned out. These many. You can go ahead and put as many as you want. The more you put, the more prettier it looks. Also, I put these on the neckline to uplift the look of the blouse a bit, and it does make a difference. If you just chuck these, it looks very plain. So yeah, you can do this also if you want. And yeah, I love the way it turned out. So coming to the skirt, so when I told my tailor about the whole thing, he told me that the length of the saree is not so much that will give a good flair to the lehenga. So we thought of getting can and adding it to the skirt. So can is just nothing, it just gives more exaggerated look to the lehenga. It looks really good. It's my lehenga. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, looks really nice. I thought this lace won't look as good, and I thought it won't be like visible and stuff, but yeah, it does look very nice. I'll show you what I was talking about. So this is the lining that we bought, like which I showed in the previous clip. Then we have the can. It has to be pretty much the same color or else it will look weird. and then we have a cotton lining that has to be attached with the can. So yeah, this is how it turned out. And as I mentioned, I also made him put a lace over here, and it did make a lot of difference. Just love the way it looks, and I can't wait to wear it with the blouse and see how the whole thing looks. And yeah, I won't be getting any dupatta because I really don't think it's needed. Secondly, I don't know where I'm gonna wear this and go because we're still in the pandemic, and yeah, so I'm not gonna waste my time and money on the dupatta, so I'm gonna chuck it out. And yeah, but I love the way this looks, so I'm gonna quickly wear and show you. Video. I just hope you liked how the dress turned out and the video altogether. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.